Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are quite well, and here is 11 pack of icons. First is 3D smart technology icons. You see here, here is PNG file, you can use anywhere. Okay, and next is home icon. Here is two different file format, EPS and SVG. EPS for a double illustrator user, or you can use in Photoshop as a icon, but you can't edit it. Here is horror Halloween. Okay, you see these are AI file illustration and in SVG. Next is hospital icon. Here is two different format, SVG, EPS. You see about hospital or first aid Chechen. Here is two different format, SVG and EPS. Outdoor activities icon, two different format here, like camping or visit. Next is project management icons. Time is money. Okay, and save time or stopwatch calendar. Romance icon, EPS. Oh, science icon. Here is shoes icon. Wow. And last is transport bicycle icon. This folder is empty. Here is bicycle. So this file is protected. Kindly join my Telegram channel Sheri Official. I hope these icons are useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.